y'all, it is March already. It's almost springtime. It's getting warmer outside. The days are getting longer. So I am excited about spring and about March, and also about this collaboration that I'm doing. This video is a part of Marching In With Casseroles, and it's hosted by Greg at Greg's Cumberlatcha Kitchen, and I will have his channel linked down below in the description box. And he is giving away some great prizes. He's giving away some bamboo cutting boards, 2 sets of casserole dishes, a casserole carrier, and a food processor. I mean, you all need a food processor. I know you do. So you will be able to be entered in this contest, but all you have to do is just like all the videos and comment. Make a heartfelt comment. Don't just say looks good. They might think it's spam and remove it. And I know you want to be entered in this contest. So make sure you like and comment on all the videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to Greg's channel. He has a great channel, lots of great recipes. So I know you're going to love him and his channel. And I am bringing you a stupid easy recipe. It is a taco casserole recipe. So easy to put together, and it takes about less than 30 minutes to put it all together. And my daughter loves it so much that she wants this at her birthday dinner. So I'm going to make that for her in May, but I made it for her the other night, and she still said she loved it. It was one of her favorite dishes. So it's really stupid, simple, and easy, but you're going to love it, and it doesn't involve soup or anything like that. So it's very customizable. Whatever you like, you can make on your taco. You can put it on this casserole. So I'll have the recipe link down below. I'll have Greg's channel link down below, and I'll have the playlist. All the information down below that you need to enter into the contest. So make sure you check out everything down below in the description box, and I'll turn you around and let's get started. When I say this casserole stupid easy, it's stupid easy, but it's stupid delicious. And you can customize it any way you like. I've got ground beef, a pound of ground beef, but you can use chicken too. And I'm going to brown the ground beef with about half of an onion that I had in the fridge. Totally, you can leave out any of this. Just make it the way you want. I'm just going to brown those together. And I'm going to take my crescent roll out. The Walmart ones, I don't know why. They are just terrible. You've got to piece them together because they come out of the package just all crazy. So I took my crescent roll out, and I'm just pressing it down in a greased casserole dish. And I'm going to put mine in the oven for just a few minutes, just so it's not really soggy. I'm just going to let it brown for about 5 or 10 minutes. And I've just got my oven on 350. And I'll pop it in the oven, and I'll work on my topping for the casserole. I am using some salsa that I had canned. You can use Rotel if you'd like, but my grandkids are here, so they're going to be eating it, and Rotel is a little bit spicy even for me. So I'm just going to add in a jar of salsa, and you could leave it out. I've got some green chilies. You can leave that out if you'd like. Whatever kind of taco meat you like, the way you flavor it is fine. It's customizable, like I said. And I made my own taco seasoning. I will have the recipe link down below in the description box. So I used 2 tablespoons of it, but I really, I think I needed 1 more. So I added 1 more later on. And you could just add a packet of taco seasoning if you'd like. But this one was really good, so I will use this again. And I'm just going to turn my heat down just a little bit and let that sit. And now my crescent roll is out, so that's all it is you're just going to add the taco meat to the crescent roll. And like I said, my daughter loved this, and she's requested this for her birthday. And the next night after this, I made some chicken fried steak, and she told me that was the other thing that she wanted for her birthday. So she's having her birthday a couple months early. So now I'm going to go ahead and add cheese. You could add any kind of cheese you want. I've got Monterey Jack, but you could add any kind of cheese you like. And you're just going to put this in the oven. This is the way you're going to do it. You're going to just put it in the oven like this, and then you'll add your toppings after you get it out of the oven. I mean, like I said, it's stupid easy, but you just wouldn't believe how easy this comes together and how quick you can get this on your table. And it's so good. So I'm just going to top it with the cheese, and then I'll put it in the oven for about 20 minutes until everything gets heated through and that cheese melts. And that's it. That's all you got to do. All right, it's done. I took it out of the oven, and now I'm going to top it with some of the toppings. But now if you are not going to eat this whole pan, I would say don't put the toppings on here, but we ate the whole thing. So I went ahead and put the toppings on here, and I'm just putting on some lettuce, anything you want to top your tacos with. You could even use some enchilada sauce. That would be good too, I think. And I've got some lettuce, I've got cheese, and I'm adding some chopped tomatoes that I had. If I had any salsa left over, I would add that, but I didn't have any, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the chopped tomatoes. But you could also add some rotel on there too. That would be really good. But this is just an easy, quick and easy weeknight casserole dish that everybody in your family is going to love. My grandkids loved it, and we all loved it too. I'm telling you, we polished this thing off, the whole thing. And you could make this by itself, or you could make some rice and some beans with it too, and it would feed a whole lot more people. But we just had this and we really liked it. And I know this was a really easy and simple casserole, but it was so good. And I'm not the kind that really likes just a casserole with just soup and a bunch of stuff thrown in. I like casseroles like this. And it doesn't take very long, and it pleases everybody in your family. I mean, you can't go wrong with a casserole like this, especially if you're kind of tired of just doing tacos every single Tuesday or whenever you have them for the week. So this one was so good, and I just cut it into little squares, and I'm just going to put it on my plate, and I'm going to serve it with some sour cream. And it was that easy, and we ate it up in no time. So I'm telling you, it doesn't have to be super complicated to feed your family, but these casseroles like this, I think, are just great. And you don't have to go super fancy. Your family is going to enjoy it, whether you have the same old things all the time. Just make them a little bit different, like this taco casserole. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I know your whole family's going to love it, just like we do. So I hope you try it. I'll have the recipe in the description box. I told you it was stupid easy, but it's stupid delicious. I'm telling you, you've got to make it. And I'll have the recipe link down below. I'll also have that taco seasoning down below, because you want to make that. It is so good. I've made some before, but this is the best I've made so far. So I'll have all the information about Greg's giveaway and his channel, the playlist, everything down below that you need. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see y'all in the next video.